Hi guys, this is Chad Lands here with a 2020 Attitude 3016 SS. Let's come around and take a couple looks at things. First off, we got our 55 awning generator. Our batteries set up, those are lithium batteries. Right here is your battery disconnect and your auto level. Huge storage compartment, also an outside shower. 50 amp service. Hot water heater there. This is going to be the back side to your fridge. As we come around the back here, you'll see that you can put your water and all that stuff there. This is where you're going to plug in your power cord. This is your fueling station, which is also going to run your generator. This is a walkable roof with a ladder. And this is a toy hauler, so you have your back ramp gate to put all your goodies in there. As we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have nice lights that are LED, power awning, indoor-outdoor speakers. As we come up to the front here, you'll see that you have your propane tanks. And of course, more storage that goes through to the other side. Come on inside, let's take a look. In this particular unit, they went to the new fridges, which I'm really excited about. It's a big double fridge. I have this same one in my unit. What excites me the most is I like to cook ribs, so I can fit a whole rack of ribs in there. I loaded up for a 10-day show, and I'm gone, and I still got food in there when I'm back. Nice kitchen area, 3-burner stove, microwave, nice big farm sink, couch here that can also turn into a bed. These will also fold into a bed if you choose to do so, or you can have them as a dinette. This right here is going to be your bunk, queen size. These chairs are really comfortable, actually, believe it or not. Big TV here. And then as we come around into the front here, we're going to sneak through the bathroom. Nice different bathroom. Porcelain toilet. And as we come around in here into the bedroom, you will see that there's a closet there, queen bed, AC unit. This thing has also got solar panels on it. It's all prepped up and ready to go, so come on and hook it up. This is Chad Lands, Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking out my video. Have a good day.